Now, let's talk about the structure of this course. Throughout this course, I'll be going through each and every step on how to get started with the strategic, logistical, and branding aspects from start to finish so that I can show you how to successfully make money on Redbubble. I'll also be providing you guys with some valuable resources to make your life easier and to save you time. In terms of the content of this course, it's going to be threefold. First, there's the fun stuff. This is going to be all about how to make money. It's going to be about what we're actually going to sell, how we're going to sell it, as well as the strategies and tools that I use and that you can easily use to make passive income through Redbubble right away. Not only will I go over the strategy and tools, but I'll also demonstrate multiple examples in this course that we'll go through together so that you're a pro by the time this course is done. Secondly, we'll move on to the logistical and branding aspects of this process, which is basically the fact that once we figured out and made our items that we're going to sell on Redbubble, we're also going to learn step by step on how to become a Redbubble seller and position our products for success. Basically, this course goes over everything you'll need from start to finish. This is very important because my goal with this course is that by the time you're done with it, you'll have everything you need to start making money right away.